Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. We're selling a car for the Salvation Army. I believe this is a 2007 Chrysler 300. This came from the original owner, and the gentleman paid like $28,000 for this car back in 2007. It has a clear Ohio title, and the car runs exceptional. I mean, it's a really nice car. There are some blemishes on it. If you look at the hood right here, there's a little bit of paint bubbling right here. Then if we come around onto this side of the car, there's a little bit of bubbling right down here, as you can see. Tires look good. The interior is I want to say close to perfect. I didn't see any blemishes in the interior. Everything works. All the lights are working. There's no idiot lights on or anything like that. I mean, it's a good, solid car. It comes with some spare parts that the gentleman bought for just in case anything ever broke on it or anything. So it comes with some spare brand new parts. There's an oil filter, and I think there's some axles and stuff like that. Brand new stuff. As we'll show you right here, the trunk works. The trunk is perfect. He bought all this stuff for it. Like I said, this came from the original owner, and he bought spares for it. There's some joints or whatever, and this is all brand new stuff. I believe that this is for this automobile, although I cannot say that for sure. But I believe he's got extra brake pads for it. Looks like tie rod ends or something. He's got some stuff. All this is included in the deal. I can't say this for sure, but I don't think the car's ever been smoked in. It has about 45,000 miles. Very nice automobile. Sunroof, cruise control, clock. This is nice. And here's the back seat. Back seat's really nice too. You got a seat rest here in the back. This interior is super nice. It's got the little bubbles on the fender and the hood, and that's about the only thing I can see that's really bad with it. But boy, that could be touched up. This would be a great family car, and we're going to sell it. It's going to be on auction, a reserve. There's no reserve. It's going to be absolute. Starting bid is going to be $3,000. We're going to try to get out of it for the Salvation Army. And this is a nice car. It comes with an extra key too. Okay, the hood, this is how you do the hood. You stick your thumb in here, there's a little lever. The motor sounds excellent. Looks like it might have a new serpentine belt. I'm not sure. I'm not a car guy, so I don't know. The oil looks clean. Nice running car. Great car for family or whatever. Of course, we have to sell it as is. The opening bid will be $3,000. This will make someone a really nice car. Okay, well, thanks for looking at it.